Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all data from Grok. So first you open your browser, or if you are using your phone you open your Grok application. Then you just access the Grok website or application. Then you will find yourself in this page, and in the bottom left you will see your profile icon. You just click there. Then you choose settings, you click there. After that you will find on the left section data controls, you click there, and then you just scroll down and you will find your storage usage, and here you will find different sections like C files and assets. You just can click on manage and delete them. You can also delete your shared links, you can delete your conversations, you can delete your cache, and you can of course export your account data if you want, but it's not the option. And you can delete all the conversation at once. You just click here, and you can delete also your imagine media. You just click here, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.